Life is full of challenges, and adversity is an inevitable part of our journey. Whether you're dealing with personal struggles, setbacks in your career, or emotional pain, tough times are a universal experience. However, some individuals are able to face these challenges head-on, adapt, and come out stronger. This ability is called resilience. But here's the good news: resilience is not a trait you're born with, it's a skill that can be developed and strengthened over time. In this article, we'll explore how you can cultivate resilience and thrive in the face of adversity. What is resilience? Resilience is the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. It's the psychological strength that helps us bounce back after hardship, whether it's dealing with a personal loss, overcoming a career setback, or facing health challenges. Resilience isn't about avoiding stress or hardship, it's about facing it with the strength, mindset, and tools to navigate through it. Think of resilience like a muscle: the more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. With consistent effort, you can develop this skill to help you face life's inevitable challenges with more confidence and emotional strength. Why resilience is important? Resilience plays a crucial role in maintaining mental health and overall well-being. Here's why it matters. Mental well-being. Resilience helps buffer the negative effects of stress, anxiety, and depression. Resilient people are less likely to be overwhelmed by challenges and more likely to recover from setbacks quickly. Personal growth. Overcoming adversity is a growth experience. Each challenge faced and overcome strengthens your emotional resilience, builds your confidence, and encourages a positive outlook on life. Achieving goals. Success is not about avoiding failure but about learning to persist despite setbacks. Resilient individuals tend to be more successful because they know how to keep going even when things don't go as planned. Stronger relationships. People who are resilient tend to be better at handling relationship conflicts, offering support to others, and staying calm during tough situations. How to cultivate resilience. Practical tips. Building resilience doesn't happen overnight, but with time and consistent effort, anyone can strengthen their ability to thrive in adversity. Below are key strategies that can help you cultivate resilience. 1. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort and learning. People with a growth mindset view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as obstacles to avoid. How to apply. When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Instead of thinking I can't do this, reframe your thoughts to I may not know how to do this yet, but I can figure it out. By seeing adversity as an opportunity for growth, you empower yourself to push through challenges with a more positive, solutions-focused attitude. 2. Practice self-compassion. Resilience isn't about being tough all the time, it's also about being kind to yourself. Self-compassion means treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. It's important to acknowledge your struggles without beating yourself up. How to apply. Instead of engaging in negative self-talk when you face adversity, practice self-compassion by reminding yourself that everyone faces difficulties. Say things like, it's okay to feel this way, and I'm doing the best I can. Being gentle with yourself will help you process your emotions and recover more quickly from setbacks. 3. Build a strong support system. No one can go through tough times alone. A strong support system of friends, family, or mentors can offer emotional support, guidance, and perspective when things feel overwhelming. Resilient people understand the importance of leaning on others for support during difficult times. How to apply. Cultivate relationships with people who uplift and support you. Reach out to a friend or family member when you're struggling, or consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. Having someone to talk to can lighten your emotional load and help you feel more supported as you face adversity. 4. Focus on what you can control in any challenging situation. There will always be factors beyond your control. Resilient individuals focus on what they can control, like their responses, actions, and mindset, rather than stressing over things they can't change. How to apply? When life feels overwhelming, identify what aspects of the situation you can influence and focus on those. For example, if you're facing a stressful work project, you can control your level of preparation, your work habits, and how you communicate with others. Let go of the things you cannot control, like the behavior of others or the outcome of external circumstances. Focusing on what you can control helps you feel more empowered and less stressed. 5. Cultivate healthy habits. Physical and mental health are deeply connected. By maintaining healthy habits, you'll have more energy, better sleep, and improved emotional well-being, making it easier to face challenges with a clear, focused mind. How to apply? Take care of your physical health by exercising regularly, eating nutritious foods, and getting enough sleep. Exercise, for example, not only boosts physical health but also reduces stress and anxiety, improving your ability to cope with challenges. When you feel physically well, you're more likely to stay resilient during tough times. 6. Reframe negative thoughts. Resilient individuals are adept at reframing negative thoughts. Instead of viewing a difficult situation as a permanent roadblock, they shift their perspective to see it as a temporary challenge that can be overcome. How to apply? When you experience negative thoughts like "this is never going to work," try to reframe them. For example, you could think, "This situation is difficult, but I can find a solution," or "I've faced challenges before and made it through." Reframing negative thoughts in a positive light helps you stay focused and motivated, making it easier to tackle adversity head-on. 7. Embrace failure as part of the process. Failure is an inevitable part of life, and resilient people understand that setbacks are not permanent, they're part of the process of growth. Instead of fearing failure, resilient individuals embrace it as an opportunity to learn and improve. How to apply? When you experience a failure, don't beat yourself up. Instead, ask yourself what lessons you can learn from the experience. Maybe it's learning a new skill, adapting your approach, or refining your strategy. By reframing failure as a lesson, you'll be able to bounce back faster and with a greater sense of purpose. Conclusion: thriving in the face of adversity. Resilience is a crucial skill for facing life's challenges with strength and grace. While you can't avoid hardship, you can learn how to navigate it in a way that promotes growth and well-being. By developing a growth mindset, practicing self-compassion, building a strong support system, focusing on what you can control, maintaining healthy habits, reframing negative thoughts, and embracing failure, you can cultivate resilience and thrive in the face of adversity. Remember, resilience is not about avoiding stress or challenges, it's about learning how to bounce back from them, stronger than before. With time, patience, and consistent effort, you'll build resilience that will help you face whatever life throws your way.